Yes, this is Mr. Castillo, and in today's video, we are going to review Unit 3, Section B, uh, Division of Fractions. Okay, so um, over here we have a problem. These are the practice problems. A pan of macaroni and cheese is 1/3 full. A group of 4 friends splits the remaining macaroni and cheese equally. Make a drawing that represents the situation. Okay, so let's make a drawing. Uh, so a pan of macaroni and cheese is 1/3 full. So let's make this pan of macaroni and cheese. All right. So let's assume this is the pan of macaroni and cheese. Okay. All right. So there's one pan of macaroni and cheese here. So let's label this as one whole pan. So this will be one whole pan of macaroni and cheese. But it's 1/3 full, so that means that we got to cut it up into thirds. So let's go ahead and cut it up into thirds. Okay, so let me try to cut this as equally as I can. All right, so now I have a pan of macaroni and cheese that is 1/3 full. So let me just take one of these thirds that is full. Okay, so I'm going to color it just to show you that it's full. I'm going to color it yellow for macaroni and cheese. All right, so it's 1/3 full. Okay, so a group of 4 friends splits the remaining macaroni and cheese equally. So that means that this third of macaroni and cheese, we're gonna split it up into 4 parts for 4 friends. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's split it up in 4. So all right, so we just split it up into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this diagram shows us the situation here. So now let's write a division expression representing how much of a pan each friend gets. Okay, so that means that each friend is gonna get a third divided by 4. So that's what I did. This third right here, I took it and I divided it into 4 parts. Okay, so explain how the drawing shows this division expression. Okay, well, because I drew a third and I divided the thirds into 4 parts. So what is the answer to that? What is a third divided by 4? Well, let me see. I'm going to take one of those thirds and I'm going to see how much each one is going to get. So each one is going to get this amount right here, which is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each one is going to get 1/12. All right, we'll see an easier way to do that later, but I just wanted to show you the diagram here. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's use this diagram to represent the expression 1/5 divided by 2. Okay, so first I'm going to draw my fifths. So let me go ahead and do that now. Let me try to draw it. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, these are not equal. I have to erase it. They're not equal. So let me try again. All right. These are still not equal, but a little bit better. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 parts, so I have fifths. Okay? So I'm going to divide 1/5 divided by 2. So to do that, I'm going to cut the fifth, one of those fifths, in half because I'm cutting it in 2 parts. So let me go ahead and do that. Cut it right here. So if I do that to this one, I'm going to also do that to the other ones. So 1/5 divided by 2. When you cut fifths in halves, what do you end up with? How many parts do you end up with? How many parts do you end up with? You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, you end up with 10 parts, right? So we're going to shade one of them. And that means that this has to be 1 out of 10. So explain how the diagram shows 1/5 divided by 2. Well, it shows 1/5 divided by 2 because I cut up this tape diagram into fifths, and then I divided each fifth in half. I cut it up into 2 parts, such that each part is going to be 1/10 of the whole. So again, we already did that. The value of 1/5 divided by 2 is 1/10. Okay.